So we're going to solve 16 over x minus x is equal to 0. Here we just got one thing in the denominator, which is the x. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by x, which is again the lowest common multiple of everything. So we'll multiply this side by x and this side by x. So x over x just gives you, x divided by x just gives you 16. And then x times minus x gives me minus x squared. So x times x is minus x squared. And x times 0 gives me 0. And then we're going to add x squared to both sides. For adding x squared to both sides, we're going to get 16 is equal to x squared. And the opposite of squaring is to take the square root of both sides, remembering to take the positive and the negative square root. So the negative and the positive and the negative square root of 16 is plus or minus 4 is equal to x, and perhaps we'll write it out as x is equal to minus 4 or 4, or x is equal to 4. So x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 4. This has been a video to show you how to solve an equation with x in the denominator. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.